वो फ्री स्पीच वाला जो कर्नाटका में हुआ है वो उसके बारे में भी बात करते हैं.
This is quite a possibility. This
Then we
might be
can-
our last Samosa podcast without
This
caucus. Yes.
this year.
Without us.
No.
Can we make
No,
fun
no,
of
no.
everyone?
This is
This
the
would
last Samosa podcast without all of us being arrested by the Karnataka government
Yes.
for
This is what I
hate
and,
speech.
and
Will
please
I be
allow
arrested?
me to
Yes.
read
Okay.
the draft because I am so glad my good friend Tessin is here.
Your good friend
And
Tessin is always.
he-
पास ही नहीं करेंगे यार. We will. The governor will. अब तो वो भी कर सकता है.
You
He
know,
will
maybe
not sign it.
DK Shiv Kumar will mount a coup before that.
नहीं. The governor will not.
Any
Governor
person.
will not sign it. This government will not let it get.
Any person who harms or incites harm or promotes or propagates hatred, bring out, obviously correction होना चाहिए language का, of his prejudice against or intolerance towards any other person because of one or more of the following characteristics or perceived characteristics of the victim or his or her family member or the victim's association with or support for a group of persons who share any one or more of such characteristics: religion, race, caste, community, sex, gender, sexual orientation, place of birth, residence, language, disability, tribe, shall be guilty of an offence of hate crime. उसकी punishment है non bailable. बचा क्या भाई?
सूली पे लटका दो.
वही.
मतलब perceived also.
Perceived. उसके बाद तो अभी और ये तो एक पढ़ा मैंने section.
हाँ.
What is going on यार? These are the people who
जो
have been
free
saying
speech
कि
की बात
मोदी
करते
हाँ
हैं,
कि मोदी फाशिस्ट है. ये मतलब मन करता है क्या बताओ यार.
Look,
अरे हो जाओगे तो
grandstanding.
But Abhijit, it's not
Who wants
grandstanding
it?
यार. It
Who
tells
wants
you.
it? Does Karnataka want it? The point
The
is, why
cabinet
are
has
they
passed
doing
it today.
Yeah. So
Yesterday.
who wanted
Yesterday.
it? Who wanted this law?
They are grandstanding because they want to create that situation where they pass it by that overwhelming majority they have in the assembly, and the governor will not give. There is a reason this has come after the Supreme Court judgment on the powers of the governor. The moment they read the judgment on the powers of the governor, they realized they could play this trick, and that is what they're doing.
No, see, when
But
you
where are the activists यार? Where is the Hindu newspaper? Where are all those guys? who-
free speech
Activists, we
वाले.
all know they're all rented
नहीं यार
activists.
तो बात तो फिर बोलना चाहिए
वही है ना
they are
फिर.
rented activists. So that is what we should bring
But
out.
we have always been seeing they're rented
But
activists.
see, when a government brings about this kind of thing,
अच्छा
कौन
इसमें
सा
पॉडकास्ट
section
के
है?
सेक्शंस हैं.
हाँ.
पॉडकास्ट के.
कौन
कुशल
सा
मेहरा चिल्ला रहा था.
section
उसमें.
of
Everyone will be in
section of
jail यार
society?
if this
Section of
gets
podcast.
passed. It's crazy.
And the problem with this is, and
God.
again, I'm going to be critical of this. This is applicable.
Thank you,
though
yeah,
it's a-
I mean-
though it's a- no, because I'm not a hypocrite.
No,
And
but
so
go-
I can go in jail.
प्रॉब्लम इज तू तो कह देता है
It's-
तेरे जो दोस्त हैं वो कांग्रेस में वो इसको पास
वो
कर रहे
मेरा
हैं.
दोस्त नहीं है. उसका बाप उसके डैडी कांग्रेस के बड़े नेता है, बट वो मेरा दोस्त नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम ये
किसकी
है
बातें कर रही है मेरे को समझ
जिन्होंने
He's
बिल
हाँ,
ड्राफ्ट
जो
किया.
मैंने-
वो अगर नाम लेगा तो जेल में जाएगा.
नहीं नहीं, none of these nepo kids. But point is this: CM and deputy CM.
We
are
will
mass
all
leaders.
talk in third person
CM
terms
and
now.
deputy CM are like it or leave mass lead. But the point in this is applicable all across the country. So what happens
Yeah.
is, if the podcast may be shot in Rajasthan,
Exactly.
but
Police will
because
come.
it's viewed, the podcast is viewed in a particular.
but how
भाई वो अजीत भारती को
हाँ,
नोएडा
हाँ,
पुलिस
हाँ.
नोएडा तक आ गई थी कर्नाटका पुलिस पकड़ने के लिए.
हाँ.
यार देखो ऐसे है
you
कि
have to
दिस इज
stand up for free
एप्लीकेबल ऑल ओवर द कंट्री इन द सेंस कि तुम कहीं पे भी कोई एफआईआर करवा दो.
कोई भी.
तुम कल को रमेश्वरम में जाके
100%.
यू नो यू फाइल एन एफआईआर
But
अगेंस्ट
then
मी इन
court ने बोला है ना,
रमेश्वरम.
you club it together and it
No, no,
comes
that
out.
is if
आएगा ना,
no, no, but
multiple हो
so
गया तो.
first I will go to Rameshwaram, na, then I'll go to Guwahati, then I'll go to Cuttack, then I'll go to
भारत ब्रह्म.
multiple हुआ तो
भारत जोड़ो
no
यात्रा.
no once again अगर that is अगर multiple हुआ, अगर एक ही हुआ FIR for example बेंगलुरु में, then you have no choice going to Supreme Court. Supreme Court will say go to a trial court there. If you don't get relief, come to us.
हाँ.
That is the problem. The problem is if there's multiple, actually it's not a problem.
Let's
Because
not
Supreme
talk
Court
about
will
the
club it.
technicalities यार.
No, no,
ये देखो
I'm
इनके
saying
दिमाग में क्या चल
no,
रहा है कि
I'm
they
saying
drafted this.
no, I'm saying in fact technicalities is good because if it's multiple, there won't be an issue. Supreme Court will club it.
तो यार ऐसा करो ना, फ्री स्पीच का क्लॉज हटा दो. मतलब ऑनेस्टली मतलब
Ending,
just
I thought
I don't do sugar.
drop the pretense. Thank you.
Thank you. Please योगी जी, please आप मुझे कॉफी दे दीजिए. आपका नाम भी माशाल्लाह क्या अच्छा नाम है, योगी जी.
So this has to be
टिकट नहीं मिलेगा.
this has to be struck down.
नहीं नाम अच्छा है.
And it is
नहीं, योगी जी
troubling
बोल
that
दिया
the cabinet has approved it, and nobody in the Congress ecosystem, none of those historians and all those journalists, they're talking, they're writing about it. Pratap Bhanu Mehta and everyone who writes editorials about free speech, fascism, Salman Rushdie, सारे के सारे
अरे
चुप.
भाई, this is what they did with the communal violence bill.
हाँ,
Right?
correct.
This is exactly what they did with that. That they want to target a particular community.
Clearly.
They want to target the Hindu community. Bottom line. This is the Congress Party's thing, that they want to target the Hindu community, and then they wonder why they are seen as an anti-Hindu party.
In this particular bill, it may not just be anti-Hindu. That argument may not come here. But the question that remains is because that argument is self-defeating.
Are they going to prosecute, for example, my
Maulana.
friend?
Maulana,
if I say
or a hate speech.
If I say
Maulana
Hindus
for
are
a
the
hate
worst
speech.
of creatures, where am I prosecutable? I am, according to this.
Because he's offended Hindus.
But what you're quoting is not how it's written in that.
If I
And
quote
they
it
would-
verbatim,
तो perceived
हाँ,
है,
so-
what are you
जब
saying?
when you
When
say
you
that,
say
it is written as that.
But if you're quoting it, so I haven't read the bill. I've read some of the parts of that bill. I haven't read the bill.
Look, I
What
can
are the
always
exceptions?
book-
I
can
don't
always
know
book
because
you.
by that thing everything. But
I
should
can
we get
always-
into legislation?
Why
You
were
can
you
always
quoting something?
I agree with you.
When you
But
were
you are
quoting
not a
something,
free
you were
speech,
creating hate.
but
So I can book
but
you on
isn't
that.
intention the most important thing?
That is the intention.
Not of the law.
How
of-
do you
of how do you
prove
prove?
intention?
How do you
How do you
prove
prove
How do you
intention?
prove
So therefore, I'm
intention?
saying, should we get into law making on this? Through me, as a Democrat, I am very scared when laws
वही
like
नूपुर
this.
वाली बात हो गई ना. How do you prove intention?
My life has been a,
Yeah.
I'll tell you what happened with this whole Nupur thing in my case.
आज बताई दे भाई.
आज
You
no,
suffered.
I have to. I'm
You have
telling you how
suffered.
I've suffered.
And Congressists don't realize.
I'll tell you how I've
Right wingers
suffered.
don't realize
I-
he has been bearing the.
I stood up for Nupur. As I stand up for
Carrying the
anyone, free speech is period. Like I think this is wrong, so I stood up for Nupur. This one guy said something, some tweet something, which got quoted on a YouTube video which somebody in New Mewat saw. Now the person in New Mewat goes and threatens another podcaster in his house in Gurugram for podcasting me, saying he wants to blow me up and blast and all of this. Turns out this guy is actually from Bangladesh in New Mewat, and these guys are roaming around with a weapon to get through me, including they broke at my house in Delhi. Yes, it's on video. They came into my house. I was lucky that day I was in Pune. Why do I have security? These are of the first order. These are absolute fundamental rascals who, and he goes to this podcaster's house. This podcaster's interviewed many people and says, I will do jihad.
Has he been arrested?
No, he fled away to Bangladesh or wherever he came from.
So this whole
This is
thing,
true.
we
This is
just
no
have
matter.
to face it now
In
that
fucking
this
Gurgaon.
conflict is not in conflict zones anymore.
No, it's-
this whole thing which has happened in Haryana with Al Falah, so we can't take this lightly. This new Mewat, Haryana has to wake up.
Terrible.
They have to wake up to the fact that this conflict has moved now. It is no longer the self-radicalization thing which is
No, no,
happening.
it's not that.
It's never
it
been
has-
self-
It's
yeah.
never been self-radicalization.
Yeah, this whole we have to now think. The way they were going
Today
about
they
it.
caught
it's like,
another Kashmiri doctor, by the way.
Huh.
This NIA.
Huh. So
In the
that
same
that
case.
that
Yes.
plot is not over as yet. Those cars, nobody knows as yet kya hua hai. It just, every state government has to wake up to this. That now it's this hybrid war. It's a grey zone, and each state is now something that they have to do.
Nobody
But
wakes
the
up to
access
it.
to getting weapons and the access to making explosives is a lot easier now because of social media and YouTube. It's very easier. It's much
Platforms
easier.
इतना
have to
आसान
take
भी नहीं है।
responsibility
वैसे
also.
तू करके देख।
अमोनियम
मैं
नाइट्रेट का ना 5 किलो से ज्यादा अगर आप लोगे तो आपको पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म करना
I
होता है।
agree with
ये
you.
3000
But-
किलोस लेके
हाँ।
घूम रहा है।
एक सेकंड नहीं पहले तो 3000 किलो एक्सप्लोसिव्स था 3000 किलो अमोनियम नाइट्रेट
Ammonium
अमोनियम
nitrate.
उसमें था।
हाँ उसमें अमोनियम नाइट्रेट था बट आपने 4 किलो ले लिया इसने 4 ले लिया इसने
हाँ।
4 ले लिया इसने 4 ले लिया उसने 4 ले लिया हो गया ना
तो भाई
50 किलो
500 लोग भी तो हो गए ना फिर।
हाँ,
तो
exactly.
वही
It's not
Exactly.
1%
That's what we are talking.
But
The
that-
network.
yeah, it is a
Let's
massive
talk about the bigger issue here. If you go to inform the police कि मेरे पास 6 किलो अमोनियम नाइट्रेट हैं, the policeman won't even waste his time putting it on
Because
note.
crime hua nahi hai. If somebody has stored the way our criminal law is that storing ammonium nitrate to the tune of X number of kilos, not X into 100, but if I see anybody's farm out here will have 10 kilos out here. अब वो 10 kilo plus उसका 10 kilo plus इसका 10 kilo put together becomes something serious. They should have seen that. They should
But
have
see,
known.
they did.
Yeah.
Look,
was a
what
great
happened in
operation.
Delhi was a huge intelligence. People
Success.
died, but
Yeah.
it was a success.
It was a
Let's
success,
not
Of the
yes.
Jammu and Kashmir police, Haryana
Yeah.
police, and we must give Jammu
Yeah,
and
we
Kashmir
must
police,
give them
including
credit,
that,
boss.
that SP who reacted on posters being put up.
Yes.
On basic posters he reacted.
No,
So-
but Smita is making another point. The fact, of course, they cracked it, very thankful. But 3,000 kilos of explosive got stored at some place, yeah. That was not detected.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is
That is
so
what
we
she's
have
trying
So
to
what
say.
I'm
It
saying
was
is,
detected. That is
after
the
a while-
point.
No, no,
Later
it
on,
wasn't.
After a
why it was
while,
being
yeah.
stored, it
And
wasn't.
remember, the
He's
most
right.
important thing in all of this was the Ricin lab.
Yeah.
Chemical
Yeah, वो तो
weapons
अलग ही है.
being made.
No, that was separate.
But
That
that's a
was good- that
separate
was
one.
good.
But
in
that
this
is also
particular
to
case,
continue.
Abhijit, in this particular case, they discovered this
Later on.
afterwards.
Yeah.
While
After
they were
the
started-
poster-
after
The
they
posters
were
came out
chasing
in
the
after
Jammu
the
guys.
posters.
Yeah, the
The
posters
point
came
is that this woman sitting in Lucknow gets radicalized, becomes part of the women's JEM, then starts converting other people to become part of that network. There are other doctors who come. There's a Maulana who comes. They all get together. They start buying ammonium nitrate. That is sent out. Cars are bought. Cars are changed. Woman abandons her husband with 2 little children. And the husband doesn't even question कि वो कहता है कि वो चली गई थी. She went off to, she wanted to go to Australia. उसका भाई
मैं बोलने वाला था, मैं चुप ही हो जाता हूँ।
I know what this guy was saying.
मेरे को जो अभिजीत के साथ होता है ना, I'll be accused of misogyny and all kinds of.
I'll tell you,
Husband was
the
the
brother
radicalized.
lives in the same lane, doesn't realize
Can
the
I,
sister
can I
getting
just
radicalized.
say that I am not a misogynist. I am the biggest proponent of female equality here because I treat women exactly the way I treat men.
And you look like a mermaid, right?
Dekh bhai, I can't be, because I have 2 daughters, both of them very assertive, and both of
Not
them.
allowed to talk about children without taking their permission, please.
No,
So
I'm
you
not
cannot.
talking about them. I'm just saying that they bully me all the time. So
I have personally seen them bullying me.
yeah.
Yes, so have I.
But his daughters are very
And I love that,
They're very
absolutely.
sweet. I met one of them at your
Yeah.
party.
Huh.
Very sweet. I mean, good job. You've really
Yeah,
got it.
they're very sweet to other people, not to their father.
But isn't that with all kids? Isn't that with all kids?
That's true.
I think my mom will say the same.
Yeah.
Huh.
We need to have a serious discussion
Oh,
as a society
sarcasm
on
से
radical.
एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ. I recently got invited to एक नया podcast कुछ शुरू किया है.
You're on every podcast.
नहीं, this called Take That. It's a
The India Today. The
India Today.
They've
So like
invited me.
15 students ask, one person. It's a format that was popularized in America, I think, जो भी है. तो ये सब वहाँ पे बैठे हुए थे और ये सारे all the kids, very well informed kids, I have to say. So they were itching कि इसकी hypocrisy पकड़ेंगे इस तरह. तो पुरानी tweets ला रहे थे और वो सब हो नहीं रहा था. तो आखिरी में एक कोई tweet लाया, where I had said that RSS is the Vatican. It's it's run by geriatrics. It's fooling the people, they're fooling the gullible and this that. And he said, so now you are supporting the RSS. Look what you've read. So basically 2015 में I got hold of मजाक में सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी का एक आर्टिकल जो उसने 2000 में लिखा था आरएसएस को फाशिस्ट और यू रेड दैट. तो मैंने उसकी ट्वीट वाइज पोर्शंस में 10 ऐसे ट्वीट्स बना के ट्वीट किया था. आई थिंक अराउंड द सेम टाइम दिस वाज सरकास्टिक ट्वीट. एंड दैट द पॉइंट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इज पहले 10 मिनट उसको चलेगा ये बताने कि भाई पहले ये बता कि ये मेरी ट्वीट है कि नहीं है. कहता है ये स्क्रीनशॉट तो आपकी ट्वीट है. देन आई हैड टू गिव हिम द एंटायर थिंग कि नो, नाउडेज anybody can basically make an image and say कि this has been tweeted by people have done that for you.
Yeah,
ANI
yeah.
का तो पूरा मार्केट चल रही है यार.
Yeah. Completely.
Yeah. And he refused to understand that, So I loved one aspect of it that the kids are so,
No, today there is an AIADMK person touching Nirmala Sitharaman's feet and she
Achha.
picks up her sari for him to allow him to touch her feet. It's an AI generated video.
Really?
Yeah. So, the whole thing is so bizarre that now half our work is to figure out ki AI hai ki real hai. Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.